Begin staging by opening the head end lid. Be sure the support is locked in place. You can lift the cover to be sure. Now, open the foot end lid. The foot end support will keep the lid open while loading the rental insert. Release the latches on the foot end door. Carefully lower the foot end door. Now you can slide the rental insert into place. The patented bed rollers allow for easy insertion. Close the foot end door and secure both latches. Now you may begin adding the interior components. Interior components include the throw, overlay, and hinge skirt. This is the throw being attached with the Starmark patented system. Insert the cardboard strip firmly into the channel along the edge of the casket. Continue to the back side of the casket and place notch around the lid support. Insert cardboard strip along edge of the hinge skirt between bottom roll and edge of the head lid. Close the foot end lid and lock. Lay the overlay on the closed foot end lid. Align the bottom edge of the overlay with the edge of the throw. Use a standard bed crank to raise the bed to your preferred viewing height. Position pillow in the casket. Your ceremonial rental casket is ready to use.